First, create SQL database. Right-click on Databases and select New Database. Type a new database name and give the database path and click OK. Again, right-click on Databases and select Refresh to reload the list, then you can see the newly created database. To restore a database backup to newly created database, right-click on the newly created database and click on Tasks and click on Restore and select Database. Select Device option and click on 3 dots. Click on Add button. Select the backup DB file. And click on OK button. Click on OK button. Check the database path. Check on Overwrite the existing database with Replace option, and click on OK button.